Welcome to 20 Mildred Avenue. This is a turnkey 4-unit building that has been fully renovated, and it has 3 vacant units so that you can set the market rent. There's 1 unit that is tenanted at the market rent, and this is a beautiful property. It comes on a nice corner lot with a 6-car parking pad, and this unit actually has separate hydro for each unit, so every tenant will be able to pay their own hydro. The potential rent of this building we are expecting is about $6,850 a month, meaning the new buyer, if they were to get a regular 80% mortgage, should be able to cash flow about $1,650 a month based on last year's expenses. Hope you like it. Check it out.
Because you don't know who you're gonna meet.
Wow.